Step into a beautifully designed front yard oasis, where modern style meets the soothing touch of nature. Imagine yourself surrounded by a thoughtfully crafted space with expansive glass windows that catch the warm glow of evening light. Merging seamlessly with the vibrant landscape beyond. This yard is more than just an outdoor area. It's a retreat right at your doorstep, blending architectural precision with nature's beauty in a truly remarkable way. Begin your stroll down pathways made from a variety of materials, each chosen to bring a unique texture and feel to the journey. These paths wind gracefully through the yard, guiding you across a vibrant, lush lawn framed by minimalist shrubs and small ornamental trees. It's a sanctuary in itself, where every element plays a role in creating balance and calm. As the evening sets in, the magic of lighting brings the entire area to life. Ambient lights cast a gentle glow over the landscape, inviting you to linger a little longer. Subtle garden lights are strategically placed to highlight the paths and plants, while recessed lighting under the wooden patio ceiling adds a soft, welcoming illumination. Through the large glass windows, the beauty of the yard flows effortlessly into the indoor space, erasing boundaries and allowing nature to become a part of the home. The sense of openness makes the entire space feel more expansive, enhancing both comfort and connection with the outdoors. Each detail in this front yard has been intentionally chosen to create a luxury experience.